We are here in Fullerton in the showroom installing the exterior sidings, the new product we're gonna start sell here at the store. We got here the installation process. Those are the panels. Look how beautiful they are. It's a dark gray color. We have Jesse here that's installing the product. Jesse, give us a quick explanation. How did you install this?
We did a 1x4 backing with 3-inch nails, and then we put a metal flashing on the bottom, and we'll make sure everything's level on the bottom. And, it's pretty easy to install, but
thank you, Jesse. Keep the good job. It's gonna get installed. It's an exterior product. It's waterproof. Beautiful new product.